CABLExpress RSD Series fiber enclosures are ideal for any area where their front door will protect cabling from disruptive elements. RSD Series enclosures are designed with a slide-out, tilt-down drawer to provide easy access to your cabling no matter where they're mounted. They come in 1U, 2U, and 4U options supporting up to 96 fibers in the 1U, 192 fibers in the 2U, and 384 fibers in 4U, saving you valuable space. Their 13-inch depth frees up room in your racks, and their lightweight allows for easier mounting. They come standard with a label card for easy port identification. Their modular design is scalable and allows for multiple connector types in each enclosure. So call our experienced specialists now to get the RSD Series fiber enclosure solutions that are easy to order and easy to install in your structured cabling environments.